Welcome back to GMC Live Reviews. I'm Karl Verhoef and we're live reviewing Ilboru Safari Lodge in Arusha, Tanzania, East Africa. And I'm here with Hellen. Hellen, how are you today?
I'm very good, Kali. How are you today?
I'm good. You've been looking after us so well.
Yes.
Thank you for that. Hellen, I've got half a day in Arusha. I'm only going on safari this afternoon.
Yeah.
Tell me, what can I do in and around the lodge in Arusha?
Okay, around the lodge you can do maybe massage, which is $70 per 1 hour.
I'm too ticklish.
Yeah, Swedish massage.
A Swedish massage.
Yes, and also you can do maybe for a half an hour, which is $50.
Okay.
Yeah, out of the lodge, maybe you can do hiking to the waterfalls.
Oh wow.
Yeah, we have, which is $53.
Okay.
Yeah, it takes almost 4 or 5 hours for the hiking.
That sounds like a good option. I love birds. I'm a big birder, and Arusha has a lot of
there
nice
is a
birding.
bear. Yeah, that is 53, including lunch boxes, including park fee, including
Local
water.
guide.
Yeah, and local guide too. Yeah, also you can do cooking class, which you can know how to cook Swahili food.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's interesting. The Swahili cuisine is very interesting. You know, wali nyama,
Walinyama,
pilipili
ugali,
mbuzi,
pilipili mbuzi. Yeah, you know pilipili mbuzi.
kuku chipsi,
Chipsi mayai.
chipsi mayai.
Chipsi mayai, yeah. Daga.
Daga, I know daga. Small fish.
Yeah, small fish.
Yeah, cooking class sounds.
Yeah, cooking class.
Sounds very interesting.
Yeah, that for cooking class is $40 per person. Yes.
Okay, and then there's a city tour if I want to go. And
Yeah,
explore
you
the
can go
city.
city tour, which you're going to pay $50 per person.
Okay.
You can pass to museum, or you can pass to Shanga or Central Market and Masai Market, where you can buy some souvenir, which the most of things in Masai Market it's handmade.
Yeah.
You can buy a handbag for your wife.
Yeah, you know,
Yeah,
you always,
earrings
before
for
you go home, you need to buy some presents for the
it's better.
family.
That's why the family, they'll know you came from Tanzania.
Yeah,
You have to take something special from Tanzania to your family.
Yeah, even if
Yes.
it's something small, huh?
Yeah, even earrings. It's a
Yeah.
small things, but
Yeah, I'm telling you, you have to look after the ladies at home, huh?
yes.
That's perfect. Hellen, thank you very much. I think I'm going to go for the birding tour. I'm a big birder, and maybe I'll do the shopping a bit later.
Okay.
Perfect.
If you need the assistant, any assistant, you just come at the reception. He will go to assist you.
Okay.
Yeah, very welcome.
Perfect. All these activities are guided by local guides,
that's
so
true.
everything is safe, everything is
Yeah.
well organized, and
Yeah, for the city tour, you can walk with our local guide. Otherwise, you can call the driver taxi, who is very innocent. We always use him, so it depends. If you want to walk from here to city tour, maybe 3 or 2.5 kilometers, you can walk for exercise.
Yeah, we love walking.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes.
Thank you, Hellen. I'm going to go for birding. That sounds wonderful to me.
Okay, thank you so much.
Karl Verhoef, GMC Live Reviews, where we live reviewing Ilboru Safari Lodge in Arusha, Tanzania, with all the activities in and around the lodge. Chat to you soon.